And a quick one on overtaking. So if you're wanting to overtake, obviously to make sure you do things safely, and I put some captions at the bottom to help you. Well, don't do it when the road's ahead, don't break the law, all these sort of things that you would expect to know from your driving lessons. But the important thing is when you've passed your driving test and you're on your own, don't be taking risks that you don't need to take. And this is a good example. The car behind me is not too close, but I'm doing 30 mile an hour in a 30 zone, and he decides to overtake me as soon as he's got an opportunity to. But he's not looking ahead of him very far, because as soon as he pulls out, he's got a problem where he's got a central island there, which is telling everyone to keep to the left, and it's there for a reason, because beyond that there's a bend. So he pulls out, overtaking me, putting his foot down, breaking the law because he's breaking the speed limit at this point, goes past that island, and he's got a bend where a car flashes lights at him saying, get back in, you're causing a problem. So be careful. If you're going to overtake someone, make sure you can see ahead, make sure you don't break the law, break the speed limit, be safe on the roads. And I hope this quick video helps you. If it does, give it a thumbs up, be safe.